Hi, welcome back to my channel. So this video would be a continuation to my previous video. So those of you who haven't seen my previous video, I have shown how to do simple acrylic color painting on canvas board so that you can decorate your walls nicely. So in this video I will show another one showing a different fruit, because this series I am going to show you about fruits, tropical fruits you can decorate your walls. So in my last video I had shown painting on 8 by 10 inch canvas board. So this is the one that we've done. It's a very simple painting, but since it has got bright colors, so once you put it up it will really show nicely and it will brighten up the room. So let's go and watch. I hope you have liked your video. So there would be a continuation to this video as well, because I would show 2 more paintings and there would be a total set of 4 paintings which you can put it up on your wall and it will actually lighten up the wall. Happy viewing. Bye bye.